Robert Simpson, will being on TRT show upon a drug test? Obviously, if you're on TRT and you're bringing your levels up to like 15, 16, 1700, 1800 NGTL, they're going to say, what the hell is this? Either you're a freak of nature phenom or you're taking testosterone. Now, if you've got regular levels, let's say you got a total T of 800, now apparently there is a way for them to detect if you're using exogenous testosterone, because as much as testosterone is a bioidentical hormone, once the ester attaches to that molecule, there are some very, 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 very small changes made to the molecule, okay? Once the ester gets cleaved, you're still left with bioidentical testosterone, but the carbon atoms at certain parts are going to be, I'll have a different weight. So apparently there's a way that they can test for the existence of androgens with this carbon atom, or something along these lines. There's a big controversy as to whether or not injected testosterone that has this modification of carbon atoms has a different impact on the body compared to, let's say, a untouched bioidentical molecule, such as, let's say, the testosterone that's put in the compounded cream. Okay, so testosterone that's in a cream is not attached to an ester. Okay, it's in the cream. The cream is a delivery system. You wind up with exact, pure, untouched testosterone. It's one of the reasons why guys like Neil Rousier and whatever push the cream, because this is as bioidentical as can be. When you're using injections, there is a very, very, very slight modification, but we're talking carbon atom weight, and I haven't seen anything conclusive as to what difference that molecule would have on the receptor compared to a bioidentical testosterone molecule. Okay, what difference in the signaling or the messaging to those receptors would there be between these two? I have not seen anything conclusive enough for me to say it's a good thing, it's a bad thing, there's a difference, there's no difference. I just haven't seen it. If anyone does have anything like that, please post on this video. I would love to see it. I have been looking for it from time to time.